What it do, my Kaelisthenics crew? Don Red here, back out with another workout video. Today I'm gonna be doing a back workout for you guys. So we're just gonna be doing some pull-ups, show you proper form, technique, stuff that you can do and what not to do. Like the video before, we're just gonna give you some easy exercises for you guys to do. So this is just a beginner workout. So for those who are looking for something a little bit more harder, I'll do a video like that eventually. But right now it's just for the beginners. I just worked out today, but I just came back to do this video, so let's get it done. Okay, you guys, we got the pull-ups for you, and so what we're going to start off with doing is showing you what not to do. So no half repping, none of this. A lot of people like to do it low and half rep like that, and some will go high and half rep like that as well, and it's just not the proper way to do a pull-up. And some will just do this, literally. Like I saw this all day today and it was ridiculous. That's not how you do a pull-up. And for those who go like saying they can do a pull-up wide, no, this right here is still half repping when you're doing that pull-up. We've worked out today, so that's why we're kind of like making faces. So we're a little bit sore, but when it comes to a proper form of a pull-up, this is a standard. So you want to have your chin over the bar, you want to have complete control, you don't want to be wild with it, you're in control of your body. Same thing with the wide pull-up. Chin over the bar, full range of motion, all the way up above the bar, and then you come down to a dead hang. You can see how my muscles contract and relax throughout this entire movement. And then a lot of people don't realize they can do these close grip pull-ups. You want to replicate the same movement with this as well, chin over the bar and down to a dead hang. And so these are for the people who are not able to really do it just yet, like not really control their body weight or don't know what muscles to use. You can start doing scapula pulls. This will basically start teaching your body and also building up a little bit of strength to start your pull-up journey. And then once you get past that, you can go into negatives where you just jump up, hold it for a few, and then you come down as slow as you can. And as you get stronger, you want to hold it for longer and come down slower each and every time. And then eventually soon you'll be able to do the full pull-up. Make sure you're doing full range of motion each and every time. Don't cheat yourself. So with that video, that is all the exercises that I did for pull-ups. This here is just, we wanted to show you guys we can do more than what we're just showing. Like I said, we did work out today already, so we're a little bit exhausted, but he's showing you that he can do muscle ups. I can as well, but I decided to show you something a little different. So I decided to show you guys that I can do like archer pull-ups. But yes, that is the entire video, you guys. You guys let me know what you want to see next. Until the next video, you guys, peace out.